नमस्ते। आप सभी योगी और योग साधकों को हमारा प्रणाम। वैसे आज जागतिक महिला योग दिवस है और उसी के साथ साथ हमारा आयुर्योग का वार्षिक वर्षगांठ है और इस सुनहरे अवसर पर हम आपको हमारी तरफ से फिर से एक बार स्वागत करते हैं।
A very warm welcome, all of you. I would like to begin with a very important and a very famous proverb. Just light a lamp in the path of someone, it will also brighten your path. तो दोस्तों आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे है, so I wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. And on this very special day, we also celebrate our annual day. So again, a happy annual day to all of you. Actually, this annual day is different from the rest of the annual days. I know everyone is eagerly waiting for this day throughout the year. And this year we are performing our IRIOX annual day on a virtual platform. But to my surprise, I am very elated and happy that all of you have sent so many videos and so much of your feedback that it's like as if we are performing it in an offline platform. So really very happy and you'll be enjoying the videos which will follow soon. Okay.
दोस्तों हमें खुशी है कि आप निरंतर उच्चतम योगाभ्यास कर रहे हैं और ये हमारे लिए प्रेरणादायी है और ये निरंतर चालू रहेगा, ये मुझे आशा है।
Okay, now I would like to say about a little bit about आयुर्योग. सबसे पहले तो ये समझ लीजिए कि आपका जो भी लक्ष्य है उसे आप निर्धारित कर लें और ऐसा निर्धारित करें कि वो आपको सुबह अपने बिस्तर से उठने के लिए मजबूर करे. सो आई ऑलवेज से दैट ट्राई टू कम टू अवर रेगुलर बैचेस. आयुर्योग के काफ़ी सारे बैचेस हैं मॉर्निंग के. अब इस साल 2 ही बैचेस हैं बट वी वर कंडक्टिंग 4 बैचेस थ्रू अवर आयुर्योग प्लेटफॉर्म and 3 in the morning, 1 in the evening. IRIOG is a small trust which was formed in 2010. Actually, we began our class schedule from 2008 where we passed out from Yog Vidya Niketan. I am really indebted to Nimbalkar Guruji. Because of him, he has instilled in us the teaching of yoga, the skills of teaching yoga to people. Later on, we continued with our studies. We were doing our various courses from the Somaya University, then sir has done from Patanjali and Kalina University also Mumbai. And last year we completed our masters in yogic therapy and science from S. Vyasa University, Bangalore. So that was a great achievement for us. And we are trying to imbibe these skills from various institutions we have learned in our yoga classes. So I really appreciate all of you to be associated with us. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप इतने सालों से हमारे साथ जुड़े हो और हमें बहुत प्रोत्साहन भी देते रहते हो. And in the IRIOG banner, we conduct various classes. The normal classes, you know, regular batches. We also conduct therapeutic yoga where we teach people with cardiac problems or hypertension or thyroid issues or pregnancy yoga, children's yoga, senior citizens yoga for cancer also. And the most important feature of our IRIOG is the teachers training course. The teachers training certificate course we conduct every year and there are many teachers. They are very responsible teachers and very happy teachers who have passed out from our institution. I can say something about that.
तो दोस्तों यस बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम द आयुर्वेद बैकग्राउंड और मैं आपसे निरोगी शरीर ही एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ. आयुर्वेद में कहा गया है कि स्वस्थ से स्वास्थ्य लक्षणम, अच्छा शरीर निरोगी शरीर यही स्वास्थ्य का उत्तम लक्षण है.
Okay, so not taking much of your time, I'm really very happy that so many people are associated with us. But I promise you कि आयुर्योग का इस तरह का जो आपका योग सिखाने का जो कार्यक्रम है वो निरंतर चालू रहेगा. And we will like your feedback and suggestions so that we can improve in our teaching skills. Because if students are there, then teacher is always present. So we love to teach. It is our passion to teach yoga. And we would like to continue with the same process. I would like to end that which is the most important sentence which I like and I follow in my life. That is, just be, then see that you can be yourself, then believe in yourself. So just be, then try to accept the situations, whatever is there, and try to believe in yourself. So when you believe in yourself, you can always go ahead in your path. So thank you all my esteemed members, and we wish you again a happy day and a great day. Enjoy all the videos. Thank you. Bye bye.